Hi Deborah, sorry about the this. It's hot. I'm painting my daughter's roof. To answer your question, I don't really remember. So I'm going to see if my body remembers. Normally I'll use my press. I think it was the largest pin. I used the fork tine bender, and then I used these guys here. So I'll get you down here. And I just had this set up a second ago. It won't go down. Okay, so first I'm going to squish my fork. Actually, I got two forks here in case I do it the wrong way. Get those out of there. I think it's a big guy here. And I think I always started with, let me get this to stop autofocusing. There we go. Okay. So I know I always did the bending last, and I could do this first part at home. So I'm pretty sure that I came down over the top. So I came this way so that the curl would fit in the dimple, and the flat would be the back. Gus? Come on, get down, buddy. So let's give this a shot. Biggest pin, biggest, the deepest forming block. I'm just gonna put it in. And then I just wrapped them around. You can do this with a hammer, with a mallet too. So once you get it down here, now I don't know what size the marbles everyone's using, because I always just made mine like this. Come on, get over the turn. All right, there we go. Once it gets over the top of that, everything pretty much goes simple. We can tap this over a little bit. And I want the shell to sit on the necklace, or on the snail. Let me fix this guy. So that's how I got that. And I'll do this for all of them. And as long as this curl is sitting in this piece here, I've never had any problems with them. So let's go back up here. Ugh. So for the fork tines, I always started with the outside, and I'll reach down about as far as I can, and then when it starts to slip, as it's pulling around here, you can't see that one, as it's pulling around, I'm going to let it just loosely, so I'm not pushing in hard here, just nice and loose. Let this go around and slide, and then bring it down, bring it down the back. And that will generally get me about the same turn. So I got my guy's legs, and now the eyes. these guys I'll take and I'll just hold back here. Oh, nope, that's what these are for. These go right in here. So my pliers are going to go in between where the shell meets the fork and directly underneath it. This gives me leverage so that you can just put the fork on there. And again, let's see, where can it see? I'm just going to lift up on it, back just a tiny bit. And I normally at this time also put it offset. So I'll get this one, bring it up, bring it over. There we go. And then I'll take and just put a curl in the eyes, or put a curl in the end of the points. So you get a little curl. Same thing. I've made eyes different shapes. I've had them going different directions. And then I'll just take a pair of flat pliers, if I can find them here. So there's our snail. And I like to turn their eyes, gives more depth of character. One last thing, come on Gus. Come on. Come on. Oh, I can use my press now, my vise. Sorry, I couldn't use it earlier. So this guy's all rockety. I'll just take my flat pliers, kind of bend it out a little bit. You can kind of see the bends in here. So I'm just going to take this out and then we'll bring it down a little bit. It is almost stable. I have a little bit of the fork tine here that's up. Just put a little bend in it. Boom. My thing won't go down that far. So there we go. So the answer is curl it to where the pattern, or where the shell fits in the fat. So it'll be the top of the spoon, or top of the fork. I hope that helps. I'm surprised I got it on the first shot, but I've made so many of them. Just let my body and my brain do its thing. All right, I'm gonna get back to work. I hope you get this and it helps you be able to get these done faster.